welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Neo came back to Una's life trying to apologize. Mugai wants nothing but a second chance, but Una is not convinced after what Neo did to her. She ordered him to leave. Ayanda and Harriet are having a great time together, mother and daughter thing. Una tells Molefe about the visit she had earlier. Miguel is fed up about Neo. Msisi is looking at baby Ayanda and her mother on a picture. Harriet gave him yesterday. How Faith wa tholo buto wake, looking at the picture ya baby Ayanda and Uma wake. And now Msisi sees himself as a best dad to Ayanda. How umugele hayi walinda umfana wamlindisa shem. And now Umuga is not showing up and phones are not going through. Una take out stress sa Neo at Nkosi. She is insisting that Neo is not welcome back at House of Zude. Pearl asking Faith about Msisi's whereabouts. She told her that Msisi has a date with his daughter and Harriet and she is now disappointed. Bra Ike asking Kele to go visit her mother's grave after she visited Una on her dream. Kele believed that the message from the dream is meant for Una. Bra Ike finally understood that Kele is hurt because her mother didn't visit her but her sis. Our Pearl is angry at Msisi for choosing her daughter over her. Hi, Shubile. Now Bra Ike is concerned about getting his late wife a tombstone. But Kele is taking all these things otherwise. She believed the dream should have been directed to her. Aibo. Now expressing his feelings for Una on Les, remembering all those good memories they had. But he believed that maybe it's for the best. Kele's head, crying why her mother didn't visit her in the dream as her biological daughter. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Bye.